Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have seen concepts of mathematical expectation, variance and standard deviation, moments. Further, we are going to study binomial probability distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution, and uniform distribution. Probability distribution, we apply them in real life examples. By this time, learning probability, you all are very well familiar with different terms like permutations, combinations, random variables, probability function, mean, variance, standard deviation, moments about mean, moments about origin, and various fields in which probability is used. And of course, you all are tired with tossing of coin. A probability distribution is a list of all possible outcomes of a random variable along with corresponding probabilities. For example, if we are counting number of individuals with different blood groups, then probability of each blood type will be each blood type divided by the total number of individuals. Here when we are estimating, actually we are using part of the data values called as sample and not analyzing all the possible data values called as population. Consider another example. In a city, some students are surveyed for mode of conduction of exam, whether offline or online. And if 20% support offline mode, can we say that all the students in the city would be of the same opinion? Obviously not. In such cases, we need population data. Imagine surveying all the students in the city. Then, is there any way to generalize these results? The answer is yes. These probability distribution models help to generalize to the population the results from the sample of a specific random variable and thus help to predict the outcomes. The probability distribution models guides to fit your limited analysis to broader behaviors, save time and reach more confident results. Lots of probability distribution models exist for different situations and the key point is to select the right one. We already know there are two types of random variables, discrete and continuous. So these probability distributions are differentiated accordingly. And few examples of discrete are binomial distribution, Poisson distributions, and hypergeometric distribution. These are few examples. Continuous probability distributions have examples like normal, uniform, exponential distributions. Let us go ahead to learn few of these distributions.